growth.
That's awesome. That's very cool. And so you've recently really dove in a lot into the DISC personality assessments,
Yes.
into coaching people, reading those, and now analyzing it with people, but also sharing like how people can utilize it, right? And that's what kind of sparked your idea to have this podcast today is, I've been a big proponent of the 4 personality temperaments, whether it's been DISC, whether it's been other ones, other books out there. It's all pretty much the same, just different lingo and terminology, right?
Yeah.
And I'll never forget the first time I read it. It's a book called Personality Plus by Florence Littauer. And I read it and I got to the chapter on what my personality was. I was almost creeped out. Honestly, it was really one of those, I am literally reading a manual on why I am the way I am, why I respond in this way to certain things, why these are my strengths, these are my weaknesses. It almost was a little weird. I say that jokingly, but there's a lot of truth in it. But it was very eye-opening, right? Because that was the first time that I really realized why my wife and I are different in some areas.
Right.
Now, we will probably reveal what my personality is at some point in this podcast, but you will understand why I always assumed I was right and thought she was always wrong, right? Because I know what my personality is now. I know what hers is. And I was like, oh, so she's not always wrong. She just thinks of things differently. She reacts differently. Okay. And she's probably going to listen to this, and I'm going to get in a lot of trouble. So I'm going to stop that part of the conversation. But nothing I haven't said in front of her face before, but it was very eye-opening, right? So I want to kind of preface our conversation today with, and obviously we're not going to dive super deep into all this stuff, but as we talk through generally the 4 different personality temperaments, how to help lead yourself, how to lead your employees, how to talk to people differently and react to different things, I want people to have an open mind with it, right? And to understand why this isn't to be manipulative.
Exactly.
To understand people, right? But it's really to help you be an effective business owner, an effective leader, and honestly, a better parent, a better spouse, a better friend, a better sibling, everything else when you can understand the personalities. So anybody listening to this, I really want you to go take the assessment, get involved in it and read up on it more than the conversation today.